Welcome to Nifty 50 Photographers. Now in this video I'm going to tell you how to get over that frustrating problem of having a filter stuck on the end of your camera. You see, last night I went out to take some long exposures, and as often the case with long exposures, you want to use something like an ND filter just to extend that shutter speed to a longer period of time. And I wanted to swap from my 6-stop filter to my 10-stop filter. No matter how hard I tried, I just couldn't unscrew the filter from the lens. But fortunately, I've got a very quick and easy solution. So let me tell you what that is. So I carry with me some of this stuff. It's anti-slip matting, and the benefit of it is it just allows you to grip properly the filter, and then you can hold the camera lens with your other hand, and that helps you get enough grip to then get it to come loose. Now if you haven't got any of that with you, what you can use as an alternative is this. Simply an elastic or rubber band. You stretch it over the end of your camera, and this is probably the most tricky bit of it, and I won't let you watch me struggle for 10 minutes, but there we are, we've got it on. Once you've got that band on the end and make sure it's positioned round the filter, now you can get that extra grip you need to be able to loosen the filter and to get it to come off and change it for the one you wanted to put on. And so that's a very quick, simple solution to getting around this frustration of having your filter stuck on your lens. What I'd recommend you do next is watch my beginner's guide to photographing light trails. It's a great introduction to long exposure photography. I think it's how most people get started, and you can do it with and without filters depending on how dark it is at the time. But you get some lovely results. It's very satisfying, quick, and easy to do. In the meantime, go out and have some fun with that camera. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.